Hello. Let's see how people wear black.
I don't see how you're fully clothed. Smooth! Smooth!
Huh?
Smooth!
Beat that cow.
Wipe it out.
Whap it out. Whap it on you. Right. Stop acting like a fucking townie, huh?
Yeah, he's telling me not to act like a tourist. Happy Monday! Oh, he's taking his t-shirt off. Enjoying my ice cream. Happy Tuesday! I'm sat in the lounge with the coat on, with the window wide open. It's actually pissing it down with rain and he's been forced to do the windows. I really wanted it to be done in the better weather, but that's the way it's gonna be done. Crazy. They're not going to do this window yet. But yeah. Look at that.
Hello. Hi. Whoa. What you doing?
Andrew, come log into your Facebook, mate. I can't see.
Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it.
I can't see enough on that thingy.
Happy Thursday.
TV program.
Whoa. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Ugh, had a really busy day in work. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh. So yeah, I had a busy day in work and just waiting for food now. It's been nice to actually stay at my mum's, to be honest with you. Yesterday I didn't vlog much because it was really busy in work. And then tomorrow, which is Friday, I've got my 24-week maternity? I mean my midwife appointment even. But yeah, I thought I'd give you guys a sneak peek on stuff that we bought for the baby. For this nappy disposal. This falls in again because like some of the bags aren't actually like biodegradable, but it kind of saves you from having that many like extra bins and bin bags and stuff, because I didn't think I'm brave enough to go ahead and do cloth diapering or anything like that. I also bought one of these sleep pillows from Mother Care. It's so comfy. I have to have about 5 pillows now, but so comfy. Yeah. And we also, I couldn't resist, and I had to buy a book while we were in TK Maxx shopping a while ago, and I picked up this. Obviously it's for older kids, but dinosaurs and animals. How cute is that? It was like £5, but it's got atlas, stickers, stories, everything. Oh yeah, just see my bump. My top. I've had this for about about 4 or 5 years. This top is from Select. Got my maternity top on. Here we go. I'm not even pushing that out, guys. 24 weeks pregnant, and this top come in a pack of 3. They like vest tops from New Look. I think it was $9.99 for these ones. And then like my white cardigan, this is from Topshop, which I've had for about 5 years. Necklace for my friend. Just my bog standard leggings. I only need very few maternity clothes because maternity clothes is expensive, but you definitely need to invest in like tops and bras. I'm hopefully gonna go and get maternity jeans as well, but know, like some of that stuff is expensive. You can pay like £40 for a pair of jeans or, you know, whatever. I've been sticking to like all my normal tops, just layering with like these thin tops and then just putting like my vests underneath. Plus it also looks quite flattering because from the front you can't actually tell. See? That's how I look normally. That's how you look on the side. My mum's cooking! Oh my god. She didn't actually bin anything. Why are smoke alarms like so sensitive? I don't know. Shocking. The house is looking good though. The windows are all in. But just waiting for a few things like guttering and stuff to be done. But fingers crossed we're in soon because I'm going to be, at the end of September, I'll be in on my maternity leave. So that will be good. So I can actually relax. But yeah.
Hello. Hi. Hello. He's got the tinfoil. Come on. Bring it back.
You dropped it now.
Oh, you're being lazy. You don't want to play, huh? Say happy Saturday. Not even. Oh, it's dark out here. Whoop, these tassels.
No, he's fucked up. Don't worry.
Crazy cat.
You see him crying in the background.
Hi. Hi, Bobby.
Get him, Rory! Get him! Where's he gone? Oh, it's there. It's crawling towards me. You're supposed to save me. What are you doing?
Catch him.
Get it.
What's that?
Get it.
What's that?
It fell off my shoe. Oh, look how scruffy. And my first pair of Vans. But look at the back. They're like completely ripped. Get him! Oh, Rory, you've made it go in the corner. It like fell. I'm like smacking it.
Catch him.
Get it! It's coming to you! No, go away. It's on my shoe. Rory,
Yeah.
get him! Rory! Catch it!
Quick, quick, get him.
That's like, why has it got like a really weird looking bum on it? It's like the biggest, smallest spider I've seen.
Pregnant.
Oh no! Oh my god, it's gone under the door. Rory, you fail! He is just not impressed.
I'll blow it in his face.
It's Sunday. It's been such a busy day. We were cleaning the house and I've just got ready to go to a party, so this is what I'm wearing. Like this necklace that I made into a two-tier, and then I got this necklace here and this dress I've had for such a long time but I've never had a chance to wear it. It's got like the slip underneath. But yeah, I think it looks cute. And then you got the tie at the back. And then I'm wearing these shoes that I had from River Island. I think I look nice today. We'll see though. There's going to be loads of people at my uncle's house. That's where we're going to have the party. Just for... It's supposed to be a garden party, but it's probably not going to be good weather, so... Oh well.